Talking about Zest. Zest soap. This is a pack of 8, and they come in different sizes, of course. This is a cocoa and shea butter deodorizing soap. Now, I use a lot of different soaps, and sometimes they're just too strong for me, and this is a nice scent. Not too strong at all. I actually like it quite a bit. Usually I use unscented soap, but I want something a little bit of cocoa butter, a little bit of shea, and I think Zest does it for me. I've been using, as you can see, I used a few bars already, so I tested it quite a bit. I'm going to be on my second bar soon. So I just finished my first full bar, and fantastic. It's a 4-ounce bar of soap. It comes in this package like you see here, which is really quite nice. And let's see here, trusted American brand, kills germs, rinse away germs. That's what it says. Let's see what else it says here. Best soap. Zest bar soap is earth-friendly choice, uses 100% plastic recyclable paperboard, uses less energy and water to manufacture, use more efficient transportation, and paraben and phthalate free, which is really important actually. That's really good. I did notice that too. It's nice and soothing on the body. So I just want to show you what the bottle looks like. Let me just take it out. I just want to show you, and it smells fantastic. I know you can't smell it, but man, it's really nice and not too overpowering. Sometimes these soaps are just too much, and the whole bathroom stinks. This doesn't do that. Let me just show you what the bar looks like. It looks like this here. Of course, it's labeled Zest. It looks like that. It's a nice way it fits in the hands, as you can see here. So you got a nice hold on it. So that way you can use it to wash your body. I like the angle of the soap as well. So definitely highly recommend if you're looking for a high quality bar of soap. I've been using this one for quite a while now. Almost about 3 weeks, and absolutely love it. So I definitely highly recommend if you're looking for something not too strong, but moisturizing. Zest for me seems to work. Hope you enjoyed this quick review. Hope it brought you some value, and thanks for watching your review channel. Have a great day.